Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your delivery address in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on the little icon, and here in the profile menu we have to find settings. Then we tap on the settings button, and after tapping on the settings button we find the postage little button and tap on it. And in postage at the top there is the my address category, and we have to tap on add your shipping address, and here we can give the different details about our address, and then save this, and then we are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.